Master your evening routines. Household chores in English. Hello, language learners. Today we're going to dive into the world of evening routines, particularly focusing on household chores. By the end of this video, you'll be familiar with a wide range of vocabulary related to common evening household chores. So, let's make your English conversations about evening routines more vibrant and detailed. First things first, what are household chores? Well, these are tasks that we do around the house on a daily or weekly basis to keep our home clean, tidy, and well-maintained. This can include anything from cooking dinner, doing the laundry, to cleaning the bathroom. Let's now explore the specific chores commonly performed in the evening. Let's begin with cooking dinner. This often involves a few different actions like chopping vegetables, boiling or frying foods, and setting the table. Next up is doing the dishes. After a great meal, there's always the task of washing dishes, drying them, and putting them away. Another common chore is taking out the trash. This task usually involves gathering garbage from around the house, putting it in the trash can, and taking it out to the curb or a designated area. Doing the laundry can also be part of the evening routine. This involves sorting clothes, loading them into the washing machine, then drying and folding them once they're clean. Finally, many people spend some time cleaning up before bed. This can include tidying up the living room, vacuuming, or cleaning the kitchen. In order to discuss your chores with others, it's important to know how to describe them in detail. Here are some examples. After dinner, I wash the dishes and wipe down the countertops. I usually sort out the recyclables and take out the trash every evening. Before I go to bed, I like to pick up the toys and vacuum the living room. Try to use these phrases in your conversations to give a clear picture of your evening routine. That wraps up our discussion on household chores as part of our evening routines. Remember, practicing these new phrases and vocabulary will help solidify them in your memory. So go ahead, talk about your evening routines with your English-speaking friends or in your language learning practice sessions. We hope this video helps you become more confident and fluent when discussing your daily life in English. Stay motivated and keep learning.